Opening award applications on LORIS. This video will show you how to access award applications on LORIS. The example used in this video is for the Laurier Scholars Award, but the process is generally the same for all award applications. Opening the application on LORIS for the first time. Begin by logging into your LORIS account and select the Student Awards and Financial Aid tab at the top of the screen. Next, select Student Award Applications. From here, select the correct aid year and click Continue. Now select the application from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Hit Continue again, and you should be able to access the application. Opening the application on LORIS once in progress. First, log into your LORIS account and select the Student Awards and Financial Aid tab at the top of the screen. Next, select View My Applications. Scroll down the list until you see the correct award application and select View/Modify. You should be able to see the application summary. Now click on View/Modify sections to open the application. Please note that you can modify the award application up until the deadline.